Yes, run the code. Will you run the code?
Sir, it coming only kids, sir, not coming all the.
Sorry. Can you just repeat?
It's error occurred only coming for kid only, sir. Starting
I
0
ca
to.
Nobody can see the screen. Can you share your desktop screen? You are just sharing one screen.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
1 minute.
Yeah. Reshare the whole screen. I can't see. I can see only Window Explorer where the files have. Yeah, show me the code. Run this code. No, this one, beside one. Share your entire screen. Why you stop sharing in between? Share the entire screen.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now you click on this edge. Okay. Where is that? It's not even prompt you. Huh? Now you enter a value. Okay. Yeah. Go to the code where age prompt enter age 1 say less than 12. Document create 13 say greater than else if 13 say greater than age and less than 17 document teenage else if else script close body close HTML. Okay. Okay. No, here you can apply not less than equal to. You should apply logical and. If one is okay, I will going to show you. Yes, Mamata, you are also getting error. Supriya, you
No, sir.
can you share your screen?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, enter any value. Adult. Go to the code. If age is less than equal to 0, if age is greater than 1 and less than 5, infant, child, else adult. Enter any less value. Enter any 6 or 7. Yeah, you see here, you have done wrong actually. That's only I was saying here, logical and you have to use it here. If you see my code, have you referred to my code in the GitHub that I've uploaded? Chandan, Mamata, Shreya, have you done this code?
Yes, sir. I have seen that code, sir.
Have you done the assignment, this one that I given to you, everyone?
So,
Have you done this assignment?
yes, sir. I have done, sir, but I'm not getting the output, sir.
Okay. Yes. So Mamta and Chandan, you have used, you should have used and logical and here as Supriya she has used. If you remember in the GitHub
Sir, I
also,
have also used, sir.
So how your output is not coming?
That's what even I'm not understanding, sir.
Uh, Good, Supriya, it's correct for you. And Chandan, you just see the code, what she has written. While explaining yesterday, I have told you that you have to use logical AND here. Why? Because both condition are true, then only it will work, right? If
Yes, sir.
age is less than 6 and age is less than equal to 6 and age is less than equal to 10. No, can you just check it for other? Can you run it, Supriya?
Yes, sir.
You have written condition wrong, I think. I just need to check. Enter 6 there. It's coming child. Enter a 5 infant, right? Now go to the code. You have written here else if age is less than equal to 6 and age is less than equal to 10, then how you will get a value between 6 to 10? It should be greater than equal to 6 and less than equal to 10. Then only you will get value 6, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, sir.
Now you have taken a wrong condition here. That's why it's coming wrong. But the logic and logical and that you have used, that's correct. Good.
Okay, sir.
Mamta Chandan, you also make a correction on your code. Use logical and. If you
Okay.
remember in the grade code, I have shown you, right? Now you enter 5. No, you that will come 5 only. That is correct. 5 for will come in infant only. When you enter 7, 8, 9, it will going to show you child.
Yes,
Do you understand what I said?
yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. Just give a minute, okay? Okay, yeah. Shreya, you just share your screen. Supriya, it's okay, good.
Sir.
Yeah, so there might be there is some error in the code or you might have missed something. Show me the code. HTML
Yes, sir.
body is scripted. Okay, where age prompt you are entering. Enter age is document dot write kid else if mid age else if else. If age is less than 1, if less than 1 and greater than 12, how age can be less than 1 and greater than 12? Just check the condition.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's greater than one. Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Hmm. It should be greater than 1 and less than
Less
equal to
than
12.
two. Yes, sir.
You have to use age variable. You know, no. Where is the age variable? Add an age variable there as well. You are talking about age. You
Even
missed
here,
the.
sir.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, okay.
you are not use age anywhere. That's why it's giving not generating any output.
Okay, sir.
And I said everyone to send me the to send the institute your resume. Have you share your resume to them?
Yes, sir, I will mail it you.
But what about the institute? Mamata, you haven't shared. I think you also
No, sir. I didn't share.
share it to the institute, the updated one by today EOD, okay? And you update me in the group.
Okay, sir. Sir, email, sir.
Yeah, email. You send your resume and you create your LinkedIn document as well, LinkedIn profile.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, okay, you can do it. So I will show you some more program today.
Yes, sir.
You can stop sharing. So yesterday we have seen a few programs, right?